Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is back on the market. It is located in the rural community of Lambs River, Westmoreland. This house comes with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It is situated on 10 acres of lush green terrain with various types of fruit trees such as mangoes, ackee, coconuts, limes. There is a water tank, carport, and staircase with spacious landing. A river is on the property that is suitable for farming, irrigation, and animal rearing. It is approximately 10 minutes from Bethel town and 1 hour from Montego Bay. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.